and on the medium heat for about 5 minutes. Turn the stove off, let it cook with the residual heat. I added a kilo and about 200 grams of pork ribs, quarter cup to a half a cup of a cooking wine. Okay, and I just added it just enough the water to cover the whole meat. About 10 to 12 basil leaves and 20 to 30 pieces of peppercorns, and yeah, that's it, and we'll see how it goes. I'm doing this so that we can get rid of the meaty pork smell out of the ribs. We already did put this rib in the water for about 3 to 4 hours, just good to get the blood out of there. That would definitely help with the odor, you know, get rid of the odor. So let's do this. Got the pork ribs in the pressure cooker. As soon as it comes to a boil, it's just gonna make that crazy sound. Gonna let it simmer on the medium heat for about 5 minutes. Turn the stove off, let it cook with the residual heat, and I'll be making the sauce afterwards to combine them all together. Throw them in the oven, broil it for about 10 to 15 minutes or so, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So this is the homemade barbecue sauce I just made. I added 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of ketchup, 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy, and black pepper as desired. We just took the meat out from the pressure cooker. I'm gonna add the homemade barbecue sauce. Okay. Just mix it around a little. And if you do have extra time, you wanna let this sit for a bit so that it can just be marinated. Just even a half an hour would be perfect. You don't even have to broil them. You can actually just pan fry it if necessary. However you prefer.